If you look at this question, this is a question asked in one of the competitive exams this year only, 2021. So what is this limiting value of x tending to 1 of sigma k is equal to 1 to 2021 x power k minus 2021 divided by x minus 1. This is equal to what? So we can write a limiting value of x tending to 1. Is it okay? X tending to 1. We'll start like this. This is of the form, when k is equal to 1, this is of the form x plus x square plus x cube plus so on up to plus x to the power 2021 minus of 2021 can be written as 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus so on up to plus 2021 times, correct? 2021 times whole divided by what is it? X minus 1, whole divided by x minus 1. Is it okay? So your answer to this question will be limiting value of x tending to 1, x minus 1 plus x square minus 1 plus x cube minus 1 plus so on up to, I hope all of you can understand this, plus so on up to plus x to the power 2021 minus 1 whole divided by x minus 1. So if you can understand this, this answer will be limiting value of x tending to 1. This will be x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 plus x square minus 1 square divided by x minus 1 plus x cube minus 1 cube divided by x minus 1, right? Plus so on up to plus x to the power 2021 minus of 1 to the power 2021 divided by x minus 1. Is it okay? So we can clearly see here, we know one formula, limiting value of x tending to a, x to the power n minus a to the power n divided by x minus a, that is equal to n into a to the power n minus 1. Here this is x power 1 by minus 1 to the power 1. Even otherwise, if you cancel this also, it will be of the form 1 only. And limiting value of x tending to 1 of 1 is 1 only. Yes or no? So we can write this is equal to, we can say after this part can be written as 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus, correct? And after that you apply the limit 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on up to what is it? Plus 2021. So your answer to the question will be equal to, sigma 2021. So we know the formula for sigma n, right? N into n plus 1 divided by 2. Is it not? So your answer to the question will be 2021 into 2022 divided by 2. So 2021 into 1011. Whatever is the answer here, we have to mark it. So this answer will be how much? 2043231. Is it right? 2043231. This will be the answer to the question.